Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll solve almost all the problems from exercise 20D. In our previous video, we have discussed about the magic number pi, which is equal to circumference divided by diameter of the circle. Formula is pi multiplied by d or twice pi r, where d is the diameter of the circle, r is the radius of the circle, and area is equal to pi r square, and this is also equal to pi d square divided by 4. Let us solve the problems from exercise 20D. Question number 1. Find the radius and area of a circle whose circumference is number 1, 132 centimeter, number 2 is 22 meter. We'll solve number 1 only. This is the circle with circumference C is equal to 132 centimeter. So we can directly write the formula for the circumference twice pi r is equal to 132 centimeter. In all this problem, we'll take the value of pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. This fraction will take as the approximate value of pi. So put the values. 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by r is equal to 132 centimeter. Do the cross multiplication. So this is equal to 132. 7 will go up and 2 multiplied by 22 will go down. So 11 2s are 22 and 11 1s are 11 and 11 2s are 22. So 2 to 4 and this is equal to 3. This is centimeter and this is equal to 21 centimeter. So radius of the circle is 21 centimeter, but we have to find the area of the circle. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square, that is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 21 into 21 centimeter square. 21 centimeter multiplied by 21 centimeter, that means r square. So this is equal to 7 3s are 21, and if you multiply you should get 1386 centimeter square, the area of the circle. Question number 2. Find the radius and circumference of a circle whose area is 154. Circle's area A is equal to 154 centimeter square. Formula for area of the circle is pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle, and that is equal to 154 centimeter square. So 22 divided by 7 into r square is equal to 154 centimeter square. So r square is equal to 154 divided by 22 multiplied by 7 centimeter square. 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11, and 11 4s are 44. So 2 7s are 14. So we get 7 square centimeter square, and if you take the square root on both sides, r is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. Now we have to find the circumference of the circle. So circumference is equal to twice pi r, and 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 7 centimeter. 7 cancel, and this is equal to 44 centimeter, the circumference of the circle. Question number 3. Circumference of a circular table is 88 meter. Find the area. So this is the circular table, and if you go around the boundary of the table, that is the circumference. So twice pi r, where r is the radius of the circle, is equal to 88 meter. Therefore 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 into r is equal to 88 meter. Therefore r is equal to 88 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22. So 22 fours are 88, 2 twos are 4 meter, and we get this is 14 meter. Radius of this circular table is 14 meter. So the area of the table is equal to pi r square, that is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 14 meter multiplied by 14 meter, that is r square. 7 twos are 14, and if you multiply, you should get 616 meter square, the area of the circular table. Question number 5. Find the area of a flat circular ring formed by two concentric circles with same center, whose radii are meter and 5 centimeter. So there are two circles with same center, that is called the concentric circle. This is the bigger circle, and suppose the area of this circle is AR9. That means area of the circle with radius 9. And there is another concentric circle. This is another circle. Suppose the area of this circle is AR5. That means area with radius 5 centimeter. Now what is the concentric ring? This region is the concentric ring. So if we subtract the area of the smaller circle from the area of the bigger circle, then we will get the area of the circular ring. So area of the bigger circle AR9, that means area with radius 9, is equal to pi r square. You can say r9. So that is equal to 22 divided by 7, radius is 9 centimeter square, and that is equal to 22 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9 divided by 7 centimeter square. Now area of the smaller circle, this is AR5, is equal to pi r5 square, and that is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by, this is 5 into 5 centimeter square, because 5 is the radius of the circle. Therefore you can write area of the circular ring is equal to AR9 minus AR5, area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. Now what is common among these two areas? This is common. 22 divided by 7 is common, minus is 9 square minus 5 square, and this is centimeter square. So 22 divided by 7, you see 81 minus 25, because 9 square equal to 81 and 5 square equal to 25, and that is equal to 56 centimeter square. 7 eighths are 56. So if you multiply, you will get 176 centimeter square. So this is the area of the circular ring. Question number 6. Find the area of shaded portion. So this is a square, and inside this square there is a circle, but the diameter of circle is equal to the side of the square. So it is given that radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. So diameter of this circle is 14 centimeter. And also the side of the square A is also equal to 14 centimeter. So what we can do, we have to find the area of the shaded portion. This area we have to find out. So what is that area? Area of the square minus area of the circle. That is the area of the shaded portion. So first we will find out the area of the square, which we know is equal to side square. So what is the side of the square? That is equal to 14 centimeter whole square, and that is equal to 14 multiplied by 14 centimeter square. And area of this circle is equal to pi r square, and r is equal to 7, so 7 into 7 centimeter square. So this 7 get cancelled. This is 14 centimeter square. This is the area of this circle. Now area of this shaded portion, or you can write area of shaded portion is equal to area of the square minus area of the circle. So area of the square is 14 multiplied by 14 centimeter square minus area of the circle is 11 multiplied by 14 centimeter square. So if you take 14 common, then it is 14 minus 11 centimeter square, that is equal to 14 multiplied by 3 centimeter square, and this is equal to 52 centimeter square. Area of this shaded portion. Question number 7. The radii of the inner and outer circumference of a circular running track are 63 meter and 70 meter respectively. Find the area of the track, also the difference between the lengths of the two circumferences of the track. So there are two radii. One is outer radius and another is the inner radius, and the radius is 70 meter and 63 meter, and this is the running track. So we have to find the area of the track. So first you find the area of the circle with radius 70 centimeter. So A1, area of the circle 1 is equal to pi r1 square, and that means r1 is equal to 70 meter and r2 is equal to 63 meter. So you put 22 divided by 7 into r1, that is 70 multiplied by 70 square. So this is meters square. So 7 tens are 70, that is equal to 22 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 70 meter square. Now area of the small circular region A2 is equal to pi into radius 2 whole square, that is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by r is equal to 63 multiplied by 63 meter square. So 7 nines are 63. So this is equal to 22 into 9 into 9 into 7. So now you find area A of the track is equal to A1 minus A2. So from A1 you can take 22 common multiplied by, again you can take this 7 common. From this 70 you can take 7 common, then what will be left? Then 10 into 10, so this is 10 into 10 minus, here it is 9 into 9, so 9 into 9, the unit is meter square. So 22 into 7, 100 minus 81 meter square is equal to 22 into 7 into 100 minus 81, that is it. So this is number 1, and now we are going to solve number 2. So we have to find the circumferences of the two circles. That means this length we have to find out, which is actually the circumference. Again, this length also we have to find out. So says this is C1 and this is C2. So C1, circumference of the bigger circle, is equal to twice pi R1, and that is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7. R1 is equal to 70 meter. 7 tens are 70. So this is equal to 44 meter, 440 meter. Then circumference of the smaller circle is equal to twice pi R2. This is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 into 63 meter. 7 nines are 63. So this is equal to 44 multiplied by 9 meter. Therefore, so difference in length of circumference is equal to C1 minus C2. So from C1 you can take 44 common, then 44 multiplied by 10 is equal to 440 meters. So 10 minus, and here it is 9, and this is equal to meter. So this is equal to 44 meter. The difference between the lengths of the two circumferences of the track. Question number 8. A circular field of radius 105 meter has a circular path of uniform width of 5 meter along and inside its boundary. Find the area of the part. So actually this is the original circular field, but within this field, this smaller circle is the actual field, and this is the path of width 5 meter. So the radius of the bigger circle is 105 meter. So this is R is equal to 105 meter, and smaller circle R is equal to 100 meter. To find the area of this part, we have to deduct the area of the smaller circle from the bigger circle. So let A105 is equal to area of bigger circle, and A100 is equal to area of smaller circle. So area of path is equal to A105, area of the bigger circle, minus A100, area of the smaller circle. So let us find the A105. So this is equal to pi into R square, that is equal to pi into R is equal to 105 square meter square, and area of the smaller circle A100 is equal to pi R square is equal to pi multiplied by radius is equal to 100 square. So this is also meter square. Therefore area of the part is equal to area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle, and that is equal to pi into 105 square meter square minus pi into 100 square meter square. Now we can take pi common, then it is 105 square minus 100 square. This is meter square. Here you see 105 square minus 100 square formula, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Then the calculation will be easier. So pi multiplied by a is 105 plus b is 100 multiplied by 105 minus 100, that is equal to pi multiplied by 205 multiplied by 5. If you express it in decimal, it will be 3221.48 meter square. Correct to 2 decimal places. If my calculation is correct, then this is the area of the part. Question number 9. There is a part of uniform width 7 meter round and outside a circular garden of diameter 210 meter. Find the area of the part. So here this is the garden, and outside this garden there is a part which is also circular. So we have two circles now. One is smaller circle, one is the bigger circle for the part. So let A1 is equal to area of the garden and A2 is area of the bigger circle with radius. This time radius will be radius of the garden plus width of the part. So that is equal to 210 divided by 2, because 210 is the diameter of the circle. So this diameter plus this 7 width of the part, that is the radius of the bigger circle, and radius of the inner circle is equal to 210 divided by 2, that is equal to 105 meter. So let us find first A1. A1 is equal to pi r square is equal to pi multiplied by radius of the garden, that is equal to 105 meter square is equal to pi multiplied by 105 square, that is meter square. And area of the bigger circle, that means including the part, that is equal to pi r square is equal to pi multiplied by, this time the radius is 112 meter square, this is equal to pi multiplied by 112 square meter square. So find the area of the part. So area of the part is equal to A2 minus A1, and that is equal to, you can take pi common, then it is 112 square minus 105 square meter square. So again you can use the formula a square minus b square. So a is 112, b is 105, a plus b into a minus b meter square, and that is equal to, now we'll take pi is equal to 22 divided by 7, and this is equal to 217, and this is equal to 7 meter square. So 7 cancel, and if you multiply it will be 4774 meter square. Question number 10. A wire, when bent in the form of a square, encloses an area of 484 centimeters square. Find one side of the square, the length of the wire, and number 3, the largest area enclosed if the same wire is bent to form a circle. So this is the circle with 484 centimeters square. If A is the side of the square, then area A square is given 484 centimeter square. So therefore, if you take the square root, A is equal to square root of 484 centimeter square, and that is equal to 22 centimeter. So one side of the square is 22 centimeter. This is number one. Now we have to find the length of the wire. Length of the wire is equal to perimeter of the square, and that is equal to 4a, 4 multiplied by 22 2 centimeter. So this is equal to 88 centimeter. The length of the wire is 88 centimeter. If the length of the wire is 88 centimeter, the same wire is used to form a circle. So what we get? The length of the wire is 88 centimeter, and this 88 centimeter wire is used to form a circle. That means the perimeter of the circle or the circumference of the circle is also 88 centimeter, and circumference of the circle is twice pi r. And suppose this is the circle with radius r, and its perimeter is 88 centimeter. So twice pi r is equal to 88 centimeter. Therefore, 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r is equal to 88 centimeter. So you simplify it, get the value of r. 88 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22. 22 fours are 88. 2 2s are 8, and this is equal to centimeter. So this is equal to 14 centimeter. The radius of the circle is 14 centimeter. We have to find the largest area enclosed if same wire is bent to form a circle. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square, and this is equal to 22 divided by 7. R square means 14 multiplied by 14, that is 14 square. So this is equal to centimeter square. So 7 2s are 14, and if you multiply, you should get 616 centimeter square, the area of this circle. This is number 3. Question number 12. The radius of a circular wheel is 42 centimeter. Find the distance traveled by it in one revolution. Number 2, 50 revolutions and 2000 revolutions. And wheel is set traveling on the road. So in one revolution, it travels distance equal to its circumference. So since the radius of the wheel is given, first we'll find the circumference of the wheel. So first let us write 1 revolution of wheel is equal to circumference of the wheel. Now what is circumference? Circumference is equal to twice pi r, and that is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by radius of the circular wheel, that is equal to 42 centimeter. So 7 6 are 42, and this is equal to 264 centimeter. That means if the wheel revolve 1 revolution, then it will move 264 centimeter, which is equal to the circumference of the wheel. So this is number 1. 1 revolution is equal to 264 centimeter. If you express it in meter, then it is 2.64 meter distance travel in 1 revolution. Number 2, in 50 revolutions, distance is equal to 50 multiplied distance traveled in 1 revolution, that is equal to 2.64 meter, and this is equal to 132 meter in 50 revolutions. And if the number of revolutions is 2000 revolutions, in 2000 revolution, distance traveled is equal to 2000 multiplied by distance traveled in 1 revolution, that is equal to 2.64 meter, that is 5280 meter. And if you want to express it in kilometer, then divide this by 1000. So this is 5.28 kilometer in 2000 revolutions of the circular wheel. Question number 13. The diameter of the wheel of a car is 0.7 meter. Find the distance covered by it in 500 revolutions. And if the wheel takes 5 minutes to make 500 revolutions, find its speed in meter per second and in kilometer per hour. Okay, so what is given? Diameter of the wheel is equal to 0.7 meter. Therefore, radius of the wheel is equal to 0.7 divided by 2 meter. In one revolution of the wheel travel a distance equal to the circumference of the wheel. So first we will find the circumference is equal to twice pi r, and that is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 0.7 divided by 2 meter. 2 to cancel, 0.7 tens are 7, so this is equal to 2.2 meter. So one revolution is equal to 2.2 meter. So this is one revolution is equal to 2.2 meter. Now in 500 revolutions, distance traveled is equal to 500 multiplied by 2.2 meter, and this is equal to, if you multiply by 500, it is 1100 meter, and if you express it in kilometer, this is 1.1 kilometer. Now if the wheel takes 5 minutes to make 500 revolutions, find the speed in meter per second. So first you see these 500 revolutions take 5 minutes. So let us do it like this. In 5 minutes, distance traveled is equal to 1100 meter. So in 1 minute, distance traveled is equal to 1100 divided by 5, and this is equal to 220 meter. So this is in 1 minute. Now 1 minute means 60 seconds. In 60 seconds, distance traveled is equal to same, that is equal to 220 meter. Therefore, in 1 second, distance traveled is equal to 220 divided by 60 meter, and that is equal to 11 by 3, and you can write in fraction also this much of meter. Now this much meter in 1 second, therefore speed is equal to 2 by 3 meter per second. This is the speed of the car, meter per second. Now we can express in kilometer also. So how we can do? Let us do it like this. You see, in 5 minutes, distance traveled is equal to, in kilometer, that is equal to 1.1 kilometer. 1100 meter is equal to 1.1 kilometer. So in 1 minute, distance traveled is equal to 1.1 divided by 5 kilometer, and in 60 minutes, distance traveled is equal to 1.1 divided by 5 multiplied by 60 kilometer. So this is equal to 13.2 kilometer. So 13.2 kilometer distance traveled in 60 minutes. Therefore, speed is equal to 13.2 kilometer per hour. So speed is same. This is expressed in kilometer per hour, and this is expressed in meter per second. So this is number 2. Question number 14. A bicycle wheel diameter 56 centimeter is making 45 revolutions in every 10 seconds. Calculate the speed in kilometer per hour of the bicycle. Okay, the diameter of the bicycle is 56, so D is equal to 56 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the bicycle wheel is equal to 56 divided by 2 centimeter. is equal to 28 centimeter, and if you express it in meter, then this is equal to 0.28 meter diameter of the bicycle wheel. So one revolution of the bicycle is the circumference of the wheel, and that is equal to twice pi r is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 0.28 meter. 7 fours are 28.04. So this is equal to 1.76 meter. This is equal to 1 revolutions. Now 45 revolutions equal to how much? So this is equal to 1 revolution. So therefore 45 revolutions is equal to 45 multiplied by 1.76 meter, and that is equal to 79.2 meter in 45 revolutions, and this is equal to 79.2 divided by 1000 kilometer. In 45 revolutions, this much distance is traveled. Now for that, time taken is, for this, how much time is taken? It takes 10 seconds. That means every 10 seconds 45 revolutions. Now we'll do right like this. See, in 10 seconds distance traveled is equal to 79.2 divided by 1000 kilometer. So in 1 second distance traveled is equal to 79.2 divided by 1000 and also 10 kilometer. Now in 60 second distance traveled is equal to this multiplied by 79.2 multiplied by 60 divided by 1000 into 10 kilometer. So this is equal to this much. Now what is equal to this? This 60 second means 1 minute. So in 60 minutes, now we'll write in 60 minutes distance travel is equal to, this is in 1 minute, so in 60 minutes 79.2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 60 divided by 1000 kilometer. So this is cancelled. This is in 60 minutes. Now 60 minutes means 1 hour, and this is equal to, if you simplify it, this is equal to 2851.2 divided by 100 kilometer, or you can say 28.512 kilometer, and this much of distance is traveled in 1 hour. So what is the speed? Speed is equal to 28.512 kilometer per hour. Question number 15. A roller has a diameter of 1.4 meter. Find its circumference, the number of revolutions it makes while traveling 61.6 meter. You see, diameter D is equal to 1.4 meter. Circumference is equal to twice pi r, and that is equal to actually pi d. So pi is 22 divided by 7 multiplied by d is equal to 1.4 meter. So this is 0.2 and this is equal to 4.4 meter. This is the circumference, and circumference means 1 revolution is equal to 4.4 meter. So what is number of revolutions? Number of revolution is equal to total distance traveled is equal to 61.6 meter divided by distance traveled in 1 revolution, that is equal to 4.4 meter. Remove the decimal. 616 divided by 44. So 4 11s are 44. 4 1s are 4. 4 5s are 20. And 4 4s are 16. Now 11 1 are 11 and 11 14s are 14. So this is equal to 14 revolutions. So during this travel time, the roller revolved 14 times, or there are 14 revolutions to travel this distance. Question number 16. Find the area of the circle length of whose circumference is equal to the sum of the length of the circumferences of circles with radii 15 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So there are two circles. One is with radius 13 centimeter. Suppose C1 is the circumference. Another circle with radius 15 centimeter. Suppose the circumference is C2, and circumference of circle 1 plus circumference of circle 2 is equal to the circumference of one bigger circle. And suppose C1 plus 2 is the circumference of the circle, and say this is 1 plus 2, and radius is equal to r. So circumference of the small circle is equal to twice pi r is equal to twice pi into 13 centimeter. This is equal to 26 pi centimeter. Circumference of the circle 2 is equal to twice pi r, and this is equal to twice pi multiplied by radius is equal to 15 centimeter. So this is equal to 30 pi centimeter. Now circumference of the biggest circle is equal to sum of the circumference of circle 1, circumference of circle 2, and this is equal to 26 pi plus 30 pi centimeter. And if the circumference of this circle is equal to twice pi r, where r is the radius of the biggest circle, and this is equal to 26 plus 30, this is 56 pi centimeter. Therefore, r is equal to 56 pi divided by twice pi. So pi cancel, 228 are 56. Therefore, radius of the bigger circle is 28 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of this circle. So area of the circle, that is the biggest circle, A is equal to pi r square, 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 28 square centimeter square. So if you multiply, you should get 2464 centimeter square. Question number 18. In the following figure, a rectangle ABCD encloses 3 circles. If BC is equal to 14 centimeter, find the area of this shaded portion. We have to find the area of this shaded portion, and it is given that side BC of the rectangle is equal to 14 centimeter. If side BC is equal to 14 centimeter, then the diameter of the circles are also 14 centimeter, and all the circles are equal. This is also 14 centimeter, the diameter of the first circle. Similarly, second circle is also 14 centimeter, diameter of the third circle is also 14 centimeter. And if that is so, then side AB of the rectangle is equal to 14 plus 14 plus 14, and this is equal to 3 multiplied by 14, 42 centimeter. So let us first find the area of the rectangle. So area ABCD is equal to B into H, base multiplied by height of the rectangle or side of the rectangle. And if we take B equal to AB, side AB, then that is equal to 42 centimeter multiplied by H is equal to 14 centimeter. So this is equal to 588 centimeter square, area of the rectangle. Let us find the area of the 3 circles. Area of the 3 circles is equal to 3 into area of 1 circle, because all the 3 circles are of equal radius. So 3 multiplied by area of 1 circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 3 multiplied by pi equal to 22 divided by 7, or the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. So this multiplied by 7. So this is equal to 7 multiplied by 7 centimeter square. 7 get cancelled. This is equal to 462 centimeter square. Now the area of the shaded portion is equal to area ABCD minus area of the circles. So that is equal to 588 minus 462 centimeter square, and this is equal to 126 centimeter square. Thank you for watching. This completes the chapter 20D, and in the next video we'll solve the problems from the next chapter.